Now we'll discuss about the other operations we have. We have discussed about consume. We have discussed about publish. We'll discuss about listener. Listener is same as consume, but it's go in the source section and it actively listens for the changes in the topic or the queue. So it has this JMS publish topic, the part where it's going to listen and sorry, this is the JMS listener. So we have JMS listener here, and in this JMS listener we have the destination, then again the consumer type. Then we can also define the consumer type variable shared no local. Also, one thing you need to make sure the number of consumers should be one here. If there are more than one, then you will have to configure something else. But if you have more than one, it will error out for now. Then you can set out the response, what response you are expecting. Then you can send the headers as we have discussed them already. Then there is reply to destination, you can set that. Then again the same thing which we discussed in the then request reply pattern, we can select correlation ID and message ID. One is for sending correlation ID and other is for message ID. We can set redelivery, advanced options. We have discussed all of them, right? So they are same for other operations as well. Now the other operation is public consume. If we go to the publish consume, in the publish consume is used to send up publish a message as well as consume a message. So in this publish consume, I already have a publish consume. It also comes in the process section. Then we have a test, then request reply pattern, what we want to select, message correlation ID, or we can select none. If you want to select a correlation ID, we can select in anything. We can send a body here. Again the same headers or the attributes of a message, JMS type, correlation ID, content type, and where we want to reply. We can add edit inline and add a destination name and type, and then add user properties. And in advance we can save the response to a target variable, otherwise it will go to the payload. That's all. And there is another option which is acknowledge, and when we are using acknowledgement, manual acknowledgement, we can just use acknowledge ID here and acknowledge the message. This is for manual acknowledgement. And here we have another option, that is recover session. If we are using manual acknowledgement, we can use acknowledgement ID to recover a section as well. So that's was all about the other operations of JMS consume.